What's up, YouTube? Today is Thursday, and I've been trying to think of what I want to do and how I want to structure my year. So okay, I'm just gonna share what's happening now. The design 101. Some people have started like registering and stuff. So I have a couple of people that have like registered for it. Then about like 80 people have enrolled for free or so. I think it's like 80 now. So yeah, like the year is off to like a good start for me. The plan really is to position myself as a brand strategist. I want to be in a position to start generating a whole lot more income personally that I can also use to grow Senpai as well. Now it's really about me, like working on myself and developing my personal brand to the point where I can attract like high paying clients to Senpai. I think part of my strategy for this year would be to get a co-working space so I can be in a place where I can interact with potential clients, because what I do is for like startups and businesses. So I think it would make a whole lot of sense if I can pay for a co-working space at least 3 days a week. I should be able to go to the co-working space. It will also make the vlog a whole lot more interesting because I'll be able to show more than just my room. So those are my plans, for the day and for the year. So I trying to just see how everything would go, and we'll be sharing a whole lot more with you guys on YouTube. So I don't know what I would do today. So I may end up making like a video, or I don't really know how the blog or the vlog should kind of like mix and match. So yeah, so my current plans right now, the design 101 is doing well. I need to advertise that a little bit more. Then when I get some cash, probably from the design 101, I want to get I want to pay for a co-working space, and there's a co-working space that just opened at Maryland. It's called Workstation. So I may be going there for a tour. So if I go there for a tour today, I will show you guys on this video. If I do not, I would still I'm going to like clip it like here, yeah, on the screen. So yeah, I want to go there. The price for the 3 days a week is 35,000 naira. So I don't have that money right now, but then I hope to accumulate it as the year goes. What's up, guys? So I've been trying to figure out what I want to get done today, whether I want to go to the co-working space or I need to wash my clothes, because I have to do my laundry. I haven't done my laundry all year, so obviously the year is still starting, but I have a lot of clothes from like last year that haven't been washed. So obviously I'm still trying to unwind and you really get to the flow of the year. So my roommate like moved out like a month ago, so I've had to rearrange the room. I'm trying to make plans on what I want to add to the room. So now the last step is really for me to kind of like wash my clothes and like I guess prepare for the year, and like the things I'll be doing every day to try and make more cash and increase my income and hopefully grow Senpai. So yeah, I would let you know what I decided to do today. Whether I decided to go to the mall or wash my clothes. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. Hello, guys. So going to go and wash my clothes now. So ordered like a Taxify, so I can don't have to like go with like all the bags. Look at the bags. So yeah, see you guys later. I wanna see the light. Hello, guys. So like I'm back home now and I was able to wash my clothes today. Now I'm about to edit the YouTube videos and hopefully share it with you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and very soon I would probably create more. I'll probably create a tutorial. I'm still trying to plan out my yearly schedule, so I would let you guys know, like what my yearly schedule would be, how often I would create, how often I'll make vlogs, if it would be every day, how often I'll make tutorials, if that would be every day as well, or every week, or which, like every Fridays. I don't really know, but I need to make everything planned so you guys can know what to expect. So hope you guys had like an awesome day. And yeah, catch you guys tomorrow. I may go to the co-working space tomorrow. So tomorrow will be another epic day. Hopefully, so yeah, like talk to you guys later. Bye.